If you're looking for an easy and budget-friendly DIY that is perfect for a wedding or Christmas gift, look no further. I have a quick and glamorous idea you're going to love. So here are the materials you would need to make that glam glass. You need some rubber gloves or cloth gloves so you can keep from getting fingerprints on the glass itself. You need a few of these stemless wine glasses from Dollar Tree, some diamond wrap from Dollar Tree. We have a 1.5 inch and a 1/2 inch. You need some double-sided tape. That's a 1/4 inch, some Gooby gun, and some gem stickers. All of these things here you see are from Dollar Tree, except for the diamond wrap here that I purchased from Michael's. So that is it. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna put on my gloves on so I don't have to worry about smudging the glass. These glasses are hard to come by in my Dollar Tree. They hardly ever keep them in there. And so I just went ahead and order. You know, you can order online if you can't find certain things that are very popular at Dollar Tree, like the gem stickers or these stemless glasses. So I ordered about a case of them for $12 and I believe 72 cents. So what we're going to do is remove the label on the bottom of it using the Gooby gun. And since I've already done that, we went on ahead and prepared the glasses so we can skip that step. But it's pretty simple. You just basically peel off as much as you can of the white label, and that will leave behind the sticky residue, and that's what you put the Gooby gun on, and it would remove it very nicely, very easily, and it'd be just like this, clean, and you just wipe it off with some soap and water, and there you are. So the first thing we're going to apply to our glass is this middle gem sticker right here, and I will show you what I've done to do that. And that is the first section we're going to apply to our glass. I use as a guide this rubber band here. You can use any size rubber band, and I just knotted it in the back to whatever size I need. But it's just a guide to let me know where I need to start. And if you put it against the finished glass, you can see where the gem sticker starts. So the reason I like using the rubber band I wanted to show you is that you can move this rubber band up and down to whatever level it is that you need for the first gem sticker, and you just keep eyeballing the glass next to the rubber band, and you see how the glass is even. You see how the rubber band is right on top of the gem sticker. That's what you want. Make sure that your glass is even at the top and at the bottom, and it'll show you your guide where you need to have that. So this is what it should look like once you apply your gems right up under that rubber band. It should look just like that. And now you have a straight line going all the way across. Then you can just remove the rubber band, and then you fill in the space here, which we're going to do next. So what we're going to do is I cut the gem sticker into strips of 2. So we're going to remove the backing just a little bit to get it started, because this is very sticky, so it's going to stick on your gloves. And you're going to start from the back of the glass where that knot is, and we're going to place the first application right up under the rubber band, and we're going to use it as a guide. Now if it's not even, you can easily take it off and reapply it. It's no big deal, but if you don't want to mess with it too much, because you want to keep the strength of the sticker on here, so then you're going to take off your rubber band, and you have the first application on the glass. Now you can look at it eye level and make sure that it is straight. This looks very straight, so I don't have to reapply it. And that is our first layer. So now we're going to put that aside, and we're going to work with the top layer here, which is the diamond wrap. So we have our extra rows here that we're going to use to fill in that blank spot. So we measure it up against the glass, how many rows we need. Looks like about 7 rows. and we'll cut. Then we will peel back. Now we're going to use the back plastic once we peel it off as a backing. So you're going to peel it back and then hold it on the plastic just like that, so it can be easily applied without it getting stuck on your glove. And you're just going to continue the row where it left off. Pull the backing completely off. Adjust. And there you have it. So now we're going to work on this right here, this first diamond wrap up here. Now what I've been using is the diamond wrap that I purchased from Michael's. I have a lot of scraps and I want to use that up before I start using my other diamond wrap. But like I said before, there's an option at Dollar Tree. They do have the diamond wrap that's already the size that you need, or you can just cut the rows off. What I'm using is 2 rows. So I cut 2 rows of diamond wrap like this. And you can do the same with these. So how I prepare this diamond wrap is we're going to use the double-sided tape, and we're going to apply the double-sided tape to the back of the diamond wrap. Okay, so I took one glove off because I only need one hand here to hold the glass when I'm doing this. And I'm going to start to the back where we, if I can find it, where we applied that piece. So that's right about here. And we're going to take the backing off of the diamond wrap that we put the double tape on. And this is the back, so we're going to start right at the top here. Now, you can see I'm putting it almost overlapping the first gem sticker, because depending on how you cut it, it might be some plastic still showing. So this will cover all that up, any imperfections. So I lay the first piece of diamond wrap right on top, and I work it around, removing the back of the double sticky tape, and go all the way around. So you have just a little piece right there. So we're going to cut a small piece to cover that. Now what I have here, if I can find it, is I have some diamond wrap already prepared, and I'm just going to cut a small piece from it. Let's pack, we'll take off the backing first, because it might be a little hard just for a small piece. So we're going to cut a small piece. And we're going to put it right where that space is. And there it is. It's like a little puzzle, you know, you just have to put it in there. Almost perfect. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Now I'm gonna touch the glass now. But anyway, that's what it looks like when you have the first row. Now we're going to apply the next row. And there you have it. So there's our completed glass. Pretty simple, but it does a very nice job turning a regular stemless wine glass into something beautiful. Well, that would do it for me, my friends. I hope I've inspired you to try this great idea for weddings or Christmas gifts. I've already started on my order for family and friends, so I need to get busy. I'll see you on the next video. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!